So you haven't started your ATM business yet because you're afraid of a recession. You're afraid of what's going to happen next. That's what I'm going to talk about to you on this video. My name is Carey Buck. I've been an independent ATM business owner since 2009 and an ATM business mentor since 2011. If you want to learn how to generate consistent passive income and big chunks of cash in small time frames from ATMs, I invite you to go to atmtrainingvideo.com. Better yet, just click the link below. All right, so I get it. I really do. I get it. You're nervous. You don't know what's going to happen. You don't know what's going to go on. And you really want to start an ATM business, but you're like, oh my God, Carey, I'm afraid. And we're in the middle of a recession. We're going to have a huge recession. Okay? What am I going to do? Well, this is what I think you should do. I think you should start an ATM business, right? Because what's going to happen is, look, everybody's going to panic. When everybody's panicking and stopping, that's when you go. When everybody panics and sells, that's when you buy. When everybody panics and buys, that's when you sell. You get what I'm saying? That's when you do stuff. Everybody's panicking and worrying about stuff. That's when you start going. Look, we started our ATM business around a recession too. It was 2008, 2009. And there was that housing crisis, that financial crisis, all that shit that was going down. And we started our ATM business then, okay, in 2009. And, you know, under Obama, under Trump, the pandemic, everything that happened, our ATM business continuously grew and grew and grew and grew and grew, right? Everybody thought we were crazy when we first started it, right? Especially the time frame we were starting it, okay? Everybody thought we were nuts. Like, why would you do this? Again, everybody else is panicking and not doing anything. That's when you need to do something. That's really when you need to buckle down, ignore everybody that's panicking and the sky's falling and oh my God, you know, we need to, you know, save every penny and do it. No, don't listen to them. Okay, don't listen to them because they're going to be in the same place that they're in right now. They're never going to change. Nothing's ever going to happen in a positive way for them to make a big change to their family. Like they're waiting for that perfect, they're probably not even waiting for a perfect moment, okay? Stop. You need to stop waiting for a perfect moment, okay? There is no perfect moment for you to start an ATM business. There's no perfect time for you to decide to be intentional and care about making a difference in your bank account, care about making a difference with your family, care about making a difference for you. Care about getting your time back, your time, getting financial freedom, okay? Now is the time for you to do that. Do not be scared. You can be scared. You can be scared. It's okay. But don't let that fear stop you, okay? Don't let the fear stop you. You need to walk through that fear and start your ATM business right now. Okay? Right now, yeah. In the middle of a recession, yes, I'm telling you to start an ATM business because you know what? I don't care what is going on in this world. Women are not going to stop getting their hair done and getting their nails done. Fellas are not going to stop getting their beards trimmed and shaved, right? People are not going to stop going to the grocery store. People are going to stop eating. People are not going to stop eating, okay? If somebody wants a tattoo bad enough, people are not going to stop getting a tattoo, right? The world is not going to stop. It's not going to stop, okay? People are not going to just stop spending money. That's not how it's going to work. During the pandemic, I kept spending money. You know what I'm saying? During 2009, 2008, I kept spending money, right? There's different types of people in the world. There are the people that are going to stop and not do anything. And then there are people that are going to keep living their lives. Maybe they'll do a little less, but they're going to keep spending money, right? And then there's people that create their own economy and they don't give two shits what's going on in the world. That's why I don't ever care who's president. Trump, Obama, I don't care. Biden, I don't care. I create my own economy. You want to be in that position. You're not going to be in that position if you keep waiting for the perfect moment to start an ATM business. The perfect moment is now, when everybody else is not doing anything. Everybody else is too scared to do something. I know that makes you feel a little bit queasy inside. I get it. I really, really do. But now's the time to do something. Okay? You want to do something when everybody else has stopped and halted. Right? That's when you're going to make big moves in your life. Right? Because of what I did in 2009, by the time 2012 got here, I didn't ever need a job again. I didn't ever need to work for somebody else in my life ever again. You know what I'm saying? Right? And then, of course, by the time 2019 got here, we moved to the beach. Right? All of this stuff happened because we did something in 2009 when everybody else thought we were crazy and everybody else wasn't doing anything. Housing crisis, all kinds of stuff was going on. Okay? Does that make sense? I hope this makes. If you have any questions about this, please, post your question below. Again, I know it's scary, but here's the thing. If you want help, I'll help you. ATMtrainingvideo.com, and click the link in the description. I'll help you. Of coaching and accountability calls. We'll work through that. I have a student-only Facebook group. Tons of successful students that will help you. Tons of successful students that have been starting their ATM businesses ever since 2011, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 2020, 2021, and 2022. Okay? I've been helping people start ATM businesses for 11 years and counting now. Every year people have started ATM businesses. Okay? Why are you any different? Why should you just decide, you know what, I gotta wait. I need more money. We're in a recession. No, you don't need more money. You don't need more money. I started with zero. Okay? Stop the bullshit. Stop the bullshit excuses you're telling yourself. I can't start now. We're in a recession. So what? Now's the time you go. Now's the time you go and start building this foundation for yourself and your family. Okay? Stop the bullshit excuses. Okay? It's okay to be scared. It's okay. I'll give you that. You can have that. But you gotta work through it. You gotta work through it, right? You gotta be scared, but have your big boy pants on and get out there and do it. That makes sense? I will be there holding your hand. All right? I know you're a big boy, but I'll hold your hand. Okay? And we'll get through it together. And you don't need to tell anybody I'm holding your hand, right? That could be your and my little secret, right? You get what I'm saying, though? Stop the excuses. Now is the time for you to start an ATM business. Actually, the time for you to start an ATM business would have been yesterday, or the day before, the week before, the month before, the year before. But you didn't start it then, okay? So today is the perfect time for you to start an ATM business, all right? Again, you want my help, click the link in the description. And you got any questions, just post them below. Like this video and check the description because there are other videos that you need to watch. All right, listen, Carey Buck here, signing off. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day. And may you live happily off of passive income.